I chose this poem by Barbara Crooker because it deals with something that I've been dealing with lately, the loss of a family member. Um, it's a very interesting piece, and it's very honest, and it's very straightforward about the way that grief feels, and I really appreciate that. So, Grief by Barbara Crooker. Grief is a river you wade in until you get to the other side, but I am here, stuck in the middle, water parting around my ankles, moving downstream over the flat rocks. I'm not able to lift a foot, move on. Instead, I'm going to stay here in the shallows with my sorrow, nurture it like a cranky baby, rock it in my arms. I don't want it to grow up, go to school, get married. It's mine. Yes, the October sunlight wraps me in its yellow shawl, and the air is sweet as a golden tokay. On the other side, there are apples, grapes, and walnuts, and the rocks are warm from the sun. But I'm going to stand here, growing colder until every inch of my skin is numb. I can't cross over. Then you really will be gone.